Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by unlocking your device and opening settings. This gets you straight into the system controls. Once done, locate network and internet or connections. Names vary by manufacturer because data controls live there. Make sure you're using the primary user account since guest profiles can hide app data. Tap data usage to begin. This first action reveals what's consuming mobile or Wi-Fi data. You're setting up the view you'll clean, so don't skip verifying which network type you'll manage. Now you dive deeper. Choose mobile data or Wi-Fi where appropriate, because clearing mobile data counters differs from Wi-Fi stats. Tap app data usage to see a ranked list of apps and bytes used for the selected period. This identifies the culprit. Once you pick an app, open its detailed page and look for clear data or reset usage. You do this because resetting the counter removes recorded consumption without affecting your files, so you control what statistics. You complete the task by tapping clear data or reset usage and then confirming the prompt. This wipes the recorded bytes for that app or network. After clearing, restart the device to ensure system services update their counters. Make sure to reopen data usage and verify the numbers read 0 or a new baseline. This confirms success. If it didn't work, toggle airplane mode briefly or clear the settings app cache, then repeat. That often resolves stubborn counter refresh issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.